You found it. You are the final 2 players.
Can't be.
You may recognize the device around your collar, Dr. Nelson. These laser cutters slice through tissue and bone like butter. The most powerful blade on the planet. You both have an opportunity to live. All you need to do is confess. It's that easy. If you admit to the reason that you deserve to die, you can escape death. I will be listening. Make your choice.
How are you alive? How are you still alive?
The game will select one of you to begin in 60 seconds. Unless, of course, someone chooses to go first.
Let's neither of us touch a button. We're both gonna be fucked in a minute. I'll go first. Okay. I was careless. And I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I confess. Christine, I'm so sorry, baby. I should have been there for you. But I wasn't. Okay, I did some shitty things, but the system was broken. I tried to fix it. Okay. I tampered with evidence. I took bribes. I put innocent people away. Murderers and rapists what? People died because of me. Innocent people died because of me. I did it. 10 years ago in this very barn, a game was played.
Supposedly, John Kramer designed this for a game that took place before all the others. The bodies were never found.
I know this because I was one of the players. Jigsaw put me in that game. It was 10 years ago. I mixed up his X-ray. So now, 10 years later, I recreated Jigsaw's game, the criminals from your failed cases. I wanted my game to be identical to Jigsaw's. So I went through your cases, found players just like the ones in the original game. I gave them the same choices that Jigsaw did a decade ago. Jigsaw put 5 people in his game. I put in 3. You and I are the last 2. I wanted to see if I was as worthy as him. As talented. Oh, Mother. Have mercy. Like you just had mercy on me. You started our game just now, pushing my button, saving yourself. That's unfair. Why was Edgar Munson free? He was a murderer, but you were protecting him because he was your criminal informant years ago, and you let him off free. Edgar Munson killed my wife. You don't know that. It's never been proven. This won't bring your family back. John Kramer gave people a chance to win the game. A choice. You have a choice. Scream or don't. And hey, look, I can help you. I can do things for you. Can you bring my wife back? Listen to what I say, honey. I created a game that appeared to be run by Jigsaw.
Hello, Edgar. You're about to play a game. 5 lives are in your hands. Follow my instructions exactly.
I gotta choose who dies. Them or me. I'm not fucking dying. What kind of firearm do you use? Glock 22. Most guns do. Except Alan, he's got a 7.2. 9x19 Parabellum. That's a Glock 17.
The blood under the fingernails of our first victim. It's John Kramer's blood.
Some will think it's Jigsaw. Some will suspect you. But no one will suspect me. Okay, we need to bring him in now because Eleanor will provide my alibi. 10 years ago, I came out of the war a broken man. Jigsaw put the pieces of my life back together again. He gave my life purpose.
We can never come from anger or from vengeance. You told me that.
But then there will be no justice.
But there will.
Because we'll speak for the dead. Together, we built a legacy. Now I speak for the lives ruined by people like you. Murderers, rapists. Their victims appeared on my table because of you. No.